Imagine a world where your steak doesn't come from a cow, but from a printer. No slaughterhouses, no livestock, just perfectly crafted meat, layer by layer. Livestock farming has been feeding humanity for thousands of years, but it comes with a cost. Enormous land usage, massive water consumption, methane emissions, animal suffering. It's one of the most resource-intensive industries on the planet. Now, a revolutionary shift is underway, thanks to 3D printing technology. What if we could grow meat without the animal? Enter 3D printed meat. 3D food printers use bio-ink, a substance made from plant-based proteins or cultured animal cells. This ink is deposited layer by layer, recreating the structure, texture, and even the marbling of real meat, from chicken breasts to Wagyu steaks. The results? Stunningly realistic. Top chefs are experimenting with printed meats. Many people can't even tell the difference. Beyond taste, the benefits are groundbreaking. Up to 90% less land use, over 90% less water needed, drastically lower carbon emissions, zero slaughter. Companies across the globe are investing in this technology. Singapore already approved lab-grown chicken for sale. In the near future, you might find 3D printed burgers and steaks right in your local grocery store. And there's another game-changing advantage: global food security. 3D printed meat could help feed populations where traditional farming is impossible. From reducing climate change to ending industrial animal farming to feeding billions ethically and efficiently. 3D printed meat could redefine our relationship with food and the planet. The question isn't if this will change the world, it's how soon. Would you try 3D printed meat? Let us know in the comments below.